Master EDCOIN Wallet. In this tutorial, you will learn how to check your active EDCOIN Smart Staking plans. How to check your active EDCOIN Smart Staking plans. Click on the staking icon. Select Continue. Click on Current Plan at the top right to check on Stake Plans. In this example, you can check on the amount of EDCOIN staked, the end date or the maturity date, and the countdown. You can click on Close Stake if you want to manually interrupt and end a staking plan before it matures. Please be mindful that if you are to close a staking plan before its maturity date, you will forego all yield gains. Let time do the hard work to grow your EDCOIN. Master EDCOIN Wallet, let's build forward together.